We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. This one comes in Thunder Black Smoke. Rear brake pedal looks like an Indian arrow. That's really cool. We also have carbon fiber stickers on top of the locking saddlebags to protect from boot scuffs. It's got the engine guards front and rear. And this bike also has ABS. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. We have a power button. And miles are really low. We're at 4,038. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.